Hello students, I am back. Class 5, Subject EVS, Chapter number 8, Chapter name The Animal World. Topic How Animals Help Us. So today we will talk how the animals are useful for us and how they are giving the help to us. Animals are useful to us in many ways. Animals are giving us help in different ways. Not only the few things, we are getting the different type of benefits from the animals. Humans have always depended on animals for food. Especially the main thing which we are getting from the animals, that is the food. Mainly we are totally dependent for animals for food. Especially we are getting the eatable materials that we can make and we are using as a food. Domestic animals give us milk which is used to make dairy products. Domestic animals. You know, few animals are living with us our home. We are taking them to our house and making us as a pet animals. That animals are giving the things which is being used as a dairy products. Especially we are getting the milk from the domestic animals that is being used to make the dairy products. Dairy products means the things that are making by the help of milk. Some animals give us eggs and meat. Few animals by which we are getting the eggs and meat also. We also get wool from sheep and lambs. Sheep and lambs, these are two animals by which we are getting the wool. And you know, wool is being used to make the woolen cloths. Woolen cloths which keep us warm and give us protection from the winter. Animals are an important means of transport. Animals are also being used as a transport. It helps to travel the distances. Camels are used for traveling in deserts and horses and mules are used on mountainous road. Camels are using in desert as a transport. Horses and mules are being used as a transport in the mountainous road. You know that camel is also known as the ship of desert only because its quality that it can be easily useful as a transport in the deserts. And horses and mules, these two have the capacity to move on the higher places. They can move on the rockside places also. So they are being used on the mountainous road as a transport. Animals like bulls, oxen and horses are still used widely in farming. Bulls, oxen and horses, these are three animals which are being used in the farming work. They are giving us help in the agriculture work. We also raise many animals as pets. We are using the many animals as a pets. We are keeping them our home with us. They provide us with protection, love and companionship. These are the three things that we are getting from the pet animals. Pet animals give the protection to our house, give the protection to us. They also give love us and they also give us companionship. They play with us, they pass their time with us. So we are feel happy with living them. So these were the points which were about the how animals help us. Let us revise in first. Animals are useful in many ways. We are getting the food from the animals. Few animals are giving us milk which we are using as the dairy products. We are getting the eggs and meat from the animals. We are getting wool from the few animals. Animals are being used as transport in deserts and mountainous road. Camels, horses and mules are being used. Bulls, oxen and horses, these are used in farming. We are keeping few animals as pet animals. Pet animals give us protection, love and companionship. So your today's homework is learn and write about how animals help us in your EVS activity copy. You have to learn all these points. You have to write all these points in your EVS activity copy and try to think more about how the animals are useful to us. Thank you.